Hello and welcome to Home Classes, a digital initiative by Director School Education Jammu, Ms. Anuradha Gupta. Students, I am your English teacher, Sushma Thakur from Middle School Chakwa, Zone Patod, District Rambagh. Today, we are going to understand present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Let's begin with present perfect tense. First of all, its structure. We use have with third form of verb when the subject is plural. I, we, they, you. And plural subjects. We use have with third form of verb, that is past participle form of verb and object, if any. We use has with third form of the verb when subject is singular. I repeat, we use has with third form of verb, that is past participle form of verb when the subject is singular. We used, for example, have played, has gone, have finished. These are phrases. The main or head verb in these examples are played, gone and finished. Have or has is used with the main verb and is called helping verb or auxiliary verb. The role of has, have is to give support to the third form of the verb to form accurate tense and to give the students the sense of time. Now, let's understand this concept with the help of some examples. He has finished his breakfast. We have played the evening game. I have taught English grammar to many students. Ashok has visited the Taj Mahal many times. We have traveled by air repeatedly. Look at the sentence third, fourth and fifth. In sentence third, I have taught English grammar to many students. Means I have an experience of teaching English grammar and that I continue to teach. My career as teacher is not over. Similarly, in sentence 4, Ashok has visited Taj many times, means he can still visit it again. Thus, the continuity of his action is not stopped. So, he has the experience of visiting the Taj and he may visit it again when he wants to. Now, the other example is we have traveled by air repeatedly. It means we have experience of traveling by air. So, the first use of present perfect tense to talk about experience, continuous or ongoing experiences which can be repeated. Note one thing here. I have taken bath yesterday. It's a wrong sentence. Here the time yesterday is mentioned. When the time for a finished action is mentioned, it is past indefinite or past simple. So the sentence must be I took bath yesterday. Past perfect is used to talk about recent actions or events. For example, I have finished my breakfast. Here the time is not mentioned, but the action is recent. They have met with an accident. Again, the event is recent, but the time is not mentioned here. If the time is mentioned, then the sentence has to be written in past definite form. Like I finished my breakfast at 8 a.m. They met with an accident yesterday. Thus, present perfect tense is used to talk about experiences continuity or ongoing, and recent actions and events. Now, we come to past perfect tense. First of all, we understand its structure. Subject, whether it is singular or plural, we use had and third form of verb, means past participle form of verb, and rest of the sentence, that is object. We use had with the verb, third form of verb, in with both singular and plural subjects. For example, I had gone to bed when my brother knocked at the door. They had gone to movie when I reached their home. Here we see two clauses in each sentences. In the first sentence, I had gone to bed. One clause, my brother knocked at the door. Second clause. And in the first sentence, two actions are mentioned. I had gone to bed, first action. My brother knocked at the door, second action. Past perfect tense is used when two actions happened in the past. It's past, I repeat, past perfect is used when two actions in the past and is clearly mentioned which action happened first. Both actions must be finished action and not continued. Here, I have gone to bed when my brother knocked at the door. Both are finished action. I had gone to bed, my brother knocked the door. Both are finished actions. The action happened first is put in past perfect tense and that happened later is put in past indefinite. I had finished my breakfast, past perfect tense, when Radha came to meet me, past simple tense. Now, it's all about today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.